Hey there, beautiful. Welcome back to the Womanpreneur Blueprint. If you're new here, I am your host, Lori Robertson, and I help women, especially single moms and work from home dreamers that want to break free from that soul sucking 9 to 5 grind and want to build financial freedom and create a life they love. And today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite ways to make money online. That is affiliate marketing. Why? Because it's hands down one of the easiest and most scalable ways to build passive income. So I want you to grab your coffee, your notebook, or just sit back and listen in because by the end of this episode, you'll know exactly how to get started and take action today. So let's do this. The first thing I want to do is talk about what is affiliate marketing and why it works. All right, so let's break it down. What exactly is affiliate marketing? Simply put, it's when you promote someone else's product or service and earn a commission when someone buys through your special link. It's like recommending your favorite coffee brand to a friend, but instead of a thank you, the coffee company sends you a check. Now imagine scaling to hundreds or thousands of people online. That's the power of affiliate marketing. And the best part, no product creation, no inventory, no customer service headaches, just you sharing valuable resources with people who need them. Think about it. How many times have you told a friend about a great book, a skincare product, or even a course that changed your life? Affiliate marketing is just getting paid to do what you already do. Now, we're going to talk about the magic of affiliate marketing, which is passive income, right? And I'm going to share with you how this creates passive income for you. So here's how it works. Now, number one, you create content once, whether it's a blog post, a social media post, a YouTube video, or even an email. And that content keeps working for you forever. Number two, someone finds your content, clicks your affiliate link, and makes a purchase. Boom, you earn a commission. Number three, some affiliate programs even pay recurring commissions, meaning you keep earning as long as that person stays subscribed or continues using the product. And let me tell you, waking up to emails that say you earned a commission is the best feeling in the world. This is how I started building financial freedom, and you can do it too. All right. Now I'm going to share with you the best platforms for affiliate marketing. Okay. So you probably wondering, where do I even find affiliate programs? Don't worry, I got you. Here are some of the best places to start, but what I am going to share with you is the affiliate program that I'm in, and I'm speaking so highly of it, and it's called the Home Business Academy. And this type of affiliate marketing teaches you, I'm not going to go into a whole lot of detail, but I will leave a link to this in the show notes, along with something else that I'll share with you later on. But it actually gives you access to learning how to create funnels. It has a funnel builder. It has a personal development app. It has to teach you how to do traffic and conversion. It has financial literacy. It has so much stuff. And the best part, it has this awesome community that you can be a part of, and then you also have the owners of the company that that you look over their shoulders every single day to see exactly what it is that they do. And the best part is that you can get 80% commission every time you make a sale. Okay, so that is my all-time favorite. All right, so the second one is Amazon Associates. If you love recommending everyday products, this is perfect. Then we'll go to the next one, which is number three, Share Sale and CJ Affiliate. These are marketplaces with tons of brands to partner with. Now, I will be honest, when I was doing my research, this was one that popped up, but I really don't know a lot about it. So, I mean, I want you to do your due diligence and do your research. I'm giving you these things so that you can use your knowledge and then, and just go check these out before you actually invest in any time or money if it requires to do this. So I just want to put that out there. And then number four is ClickBank. These are great for digital products and courses. It's already there. You pick which one you want, And when you do that, you make a commission off of it every time someone purchases. And then you have high ticket programs. Now, actually, this is my personal favorite because programs, like I said, the Home Business Academy pay high commissions for digital tools that people actually need, right? So most companies don't pay 80% commissions, but the Home Business Academy does. So, I'm circling back around to my favorite, and this is the last one. That I would highly recommend for you. Okay. Because I can speak highly of this because this is what I do. And I also do clickbank products as well. So, the key is choosing products that aligns with your brand and your audience. So if you're helping moms work from home, promote tools, courses, or software that can help them do just that. Okay. So now, this is what I want to do. I want to, share with you some strategies to get started without a huge following. And I know what you're probably thinking, Lori, do I need a huge audience for this to work? Nope. You don't need millions of followers, just the right people who trust you. Okay. So here's how you get started with that. I want you to pick a niche. Focus on specific audience like busy moms, fitness lovers, aspiring entrepreneurs, dog lovers, anything that you can think of that interests you. Okay. Pick that first. And then start with one platform. And I share this in a lot of my episodes, whether it's TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, email, just choose one and get really good at it. Okay. Then I want you to create valuable content. Share helpful tips, reviews, or personal stories around the products that you promote. So that's important. And I always say become a product of the product, because how can you promote something that you don't own, that you've never used, that you don't have any personal tie to? And then I want you to use your affiliate links everywhere. Add them to your bio, your blog posts, your YouTube descriptions, and in your emails. Okay. And finally, this is really important because if you don't have people to share it with, then you can't, get any money from off of it, right? So I need you to build an email list. Social media is great, but your email list is gold. That's where the real money is made. Highlight that, underline it. Just remember that, okay? And then now, this is where it all comes to play. It's time to take action. All right, my friend? Now, when I say take action, I mean, here's what I want you to do today. I want you to sign up for one affiliate program that aligns with your interests. I want you to choose one platform and create a post or a video sharing something valuable about it. And then I want you to drop your affiliate link and invite people to check it out. And hey, don't overthink it. Your first post doesn't have to be perfect. You just have to start. And just to say that I am doing a IG Reels challenge, right? I'm not perfect at it. I've never done it before. And if anybody knows anything about me, if you've been following me along, I don't like to show my face on camera. But I have to step out of my comfort zone. And I've realized that if I want to reach a higher level of people to scale my business, I have to start showing my face. And so I decided I want to do Reels. I'm going to do a 30-day Reel challenge. Just to see how it works, see what type of what type of success I'm going to have with it. And my intent is just to be consistent and get out there and do it. It doesn't matter if I get a lot of followers. It doesn't matter if I make a lot of sales. For me, the intention is to be consistent, get out of my comfort zone, and create consistent content. Okay, so if you want a step-by-step guide to making affiliate sales fast, I have a resource for you. You can grab your copy of the Blueprint to Selling Digital Products for Beginners, and I will put a link to that in the show notes, as well as the link to the Home Business Academy as well. Now, my blueprint is the exact blueprint that I use to start making money online, and then HBA is the exact system that I use to make money online. So either one of those is going to help you tremendously, and I totally would advise you to just check either both or one of them out. And I promise you, it's going to be life-changing, okay? So, in closing, I hope this episode got you fired up just a little bit about affiliate marketing and how you can start building passive income today. It's easy, it's simple, but you're going to have to put a little work in it. Yes, of course. But once you get in there, and especially if you're talking about something that you're passionate about, oh God, you are going to enjoy it. And especially when you see that you made a commission pop up in your email over and over and over again. So if you found this helpful, I want you to, I keep saying take a screenshot. You can actually take a screenshot of the episode, I should say. Share it on Instagram and tag me. If you're on Facebook, you can do the same thing. If it's on YouTube, you may not be able to add the screenshot or anything on YouTube, but still just tag me. Leave me a comment. Leave me a review. I love connecting with you. So don't forget. I want you, please don't forget this. Success doesn't come from just listening. It comes from taking action. So I want you to go out there, take that first step, and start building your online business to make income today. So until next time, keep dreaming, keep pushing, and keep building the life you deserve. And until the next time, I will see you. Well, I should say, I'll see you on the next episode. Bye for now.